If you're feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or like you're carrying around an extra 5 pounds by the end of the day, well, most people immediately blame the food that they just ate. But what if the real problem isn't what you're putting into your body, but it's actually what isn't coming out? As a naturopathic doctor, one of the most overlooked conversations I have with patients is a bowel regularity, because when your digestive system slows down, your whole body can feel sluggish. I'll ask patients a very simple question: how often are you having a bowel movement? And so many people tell me, well, maybe every 2 or 3 days. Then they look surprised when I explain constipation doesn't necessarily always mean that you can't go at all. Sometimes it simply means that your digestive system isn't moving as efficiently as it should be. When stool sits in the colon longer than it should, it's common to experience bloating, abdominal discomfort, and that heavy, sluggish feeling. And that's why, for occasional constipation, I often recommend short-term digestive support. One product that I like combines several herbal ingredients that all work together to help promote bowel movements. Its primary ingredient is Cascara Sagrada, a traditional herbal stimulant laxative that's commonly used for occasional constipation. It also includes ginger, which has a long history of supporting healthy digestion, along with chicory, grapeseed extract, raspberry, and cayenne. Now, here's something that's really important. This isn't something that I recommend taking every single day. If you're constantly relying on a cleanse or a laxative just to have a bowel movement, that's a sign that we need to figure out why your digestion has slowed down. Maybe it's not enough fiber, maybe it's dehydration, maybe it's stress, or maybe it's medications. The goal is always to restore healthy digestion, not become dependent on one specific product. But if you're dealing with occasional constipation, feeling backed up after travel, changes in a routine, or periods where your digestion just isn't cooperating, then a herbal digestive cleanse like this can provide temporary support while you're working on the bigger picture. Remember, supplements work best when they're supporting healthy habits, not just replacing them. Comment down below, have you ever dealt with occasional constipation or bloating, and what has helped you the most? If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.